Spike 13.
That's pretty good.
Whether it's delicious dining, sensational shopping, or a scary walk in the park after Monstropolis offers something for everyone. Our city may be monstrously large, but our local business owners take pride in providing you with small-town friendliness and small-town service. If there's anything we can do for you while you're here, be sure to give us a holler. Welcome to the Monstropolis Transit Terminal, the hub for transportation to the greater Monstropolis area. Regularly scheduled trains and buses depart hourly. For immediate transportation, Monstropolis City Cab service is available at any time. Please proceed to the taxi boarding area located just ahead. Thank you.
What was that for?
If this is your first visit to our friendly city, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you with big, hairy smiles. We hope you enjoy your stay, and while you're here, I hope your dreams come true.
Everything's going better.
Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Spoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear.
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Monster in disguise!
Michael Wazowski, and on my birthday, I got you better about me.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in Martin. Good unit. In position. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. Number one. All clear over here.
Hey, working nice. Yeah, nothing exciting here.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Welcome to the Himalaya!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
I love you, kiddo.
Get out.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Thorough observation of the perimeter. We
Just a standard decontamination.
can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to it.
Bye.